Guys, you smell that? Smell that scent in the air? That's Resy credits hitting my account right now. All right, guys, it's October and it's the 18th of the month. So that means I gotta eat some food and redeem my Resy credits. So I'm on my way to a restaurant called Settlers. All right, guess what city I'm in today? Do you recognize this statue? This is Samantha. She's always smiling. We're in Salem, Massachusetts. And there's magic in the air. And creepy MF is like this guy. I don't like this. Oh, Jesus. All right, we're good. We're good. Thank you. Awesome costume. All right, I gotta get out of here. Guys, Salem does not play around in October. Look at all these people. It's so cold out. It's like in the 50s. And people are doing tours. He's going around scaring people. But my only interests are Resy credits. All right, guys, we're breaking the Resy code again today. I'm in the northern part of New England, and if you don't know, it is absolutely gorgeous this time of year. So this is a far cry from Vegas, where I was just last week, and it was 104 degrees there. I'm at a small Mediterranean Resy restaurant, and it was really hard to book this table. I had to go through the Resy app because of how popular it is, and how popular this area is this time of year. It's very quaint and nice, so I'm a little hesitant to whip out 4 cards to pay with today. But it's October in the middle of the month, and I need my Resy credits. All right, this should tell you where I am. It's very touristy here. Is this falafel? Or as we say, falafel? It's so Lebanese, it's bringing up memories.
Yeah, I mean, you got my voice already.
Guys,
right?
Who's got the better beard? Me or him? I think he does. I think he wins. That's the manager.
I don't know.
Seriously. Okay, so you're aware this is a Resy restaurant?
Yes.
Okay, so that's I'm redeeming all my Resy credits because I have 4,000 credit cards. So the Delta Reserve gives me a $20 credit. So I'm gonna want to put $20 on this. And then
I'm just gonna write this down.
Sure, I'm just gonna write it down because it's multiple cards. We're paying with 4 cards today, not 5. Okay. I got my 2 Delta Platinums, $10 on each. He's writing it down, he's awesome. And then the balance is gonna be on my City Strata Premier. I've used up all my city points and I need to build up because I got plans to travel internationally, so then the balance can be on this card.
So 20, 10, 10, and then the balance.
And then the balance on this. Awesome.
Okay,
thank you. Appreciate it. My babies. He took my babies. It's coming back. You did it? Any issues?
Never any issues. 20, 10, 10 balance.
Beautiful.
My name is Phil. I'm the manager of Settler in Salem. We'd love to have you come down and hang out with us for the month of October, or November, or December, or January, or February, or March, April, May.
and it's a Mediterranean restaurant.
Mediterranean restaurant.
And I'm from the Mediterranean. I'm Lebanese. I grew up on the Mediterranean, so this was very nostalgic for me, especially the zapa.
Yeah.
And the falafel.
Yeah. All right.
Match made in heaven. Thank you.
Okay.
Take care. Guys, it doesn't matter how awkward it is. I am always going to get my Resy credits every month. Where am I going to next month? I don't know. I gotta figure it out. All right, guys, it's time for me to hand out my autograph. Let's go. All right, so I don't put any tips on the $20, $10, $10. I just put the tip of everything on the main card, which in this case is the Strata Premier. Guys, Settlers is such a tiny restaurant. Look at these seats inside. It's tiny. Couldn't get an indoor seat. Well, I could, but I don't want to eat dinner at 5 p.m. So we sat in that outdoor section over there. All right, guys, Q's is at home. but he's gonna get a little snack later if he's good. And these are his Resy snacks.